Hi, our group is conformed by Camila Martinez, Emilio Hidalgo, Matías Correa, and my person, Omar Castro. And now we are going to present you the carbon cycle with some characteristics, definitions, and the process.
Hello, my name is Omar, and now I am going to explain you what is the carbon cycle. The carbon cycle is a natural process by which carbon atoms are continuously reused, moving from the atmosphere to organisms and back again. Most carbon is stored in rocks and sediments, while some is found in the oceans, atmosphere, and living things. What is carbon? Carbon is one of the chemical elements found in nature. A chemical element refers to the pure substance of one type of atom. It is one of the most important elements of the Earth.
Importance of carbon cycle. Even though carbon dioxide is found in small traces in the atmosphere, it plays a vital role in balancing the energy traps the long wave radiation from the sun.
Therefore, it acts like a blanket covering the planet. If the carbon cycle is disturbed, it will result in serious consequences such as climate changes and global warming.
Carbon present in the atmosphere is absorbed by plants for photosynthesis.
These plants are then consumed by animals, and carbon gets bioaccumulated into their bodies. These animals and plants eventually die and you upon decomposing. Carbon is released back into the atmosphere.
Some carbon that is not released back eventually becomes fossil fuels.
These fossil fuels are then used for man-made activities, which pump more carbon back into the atmosphere.
Now I am going to explain you this image that is the carbon cycle, but more easier to know. Okay, first this is an image that refers to the plant respiration of the producers, that in this image is a tree. The animal respiration, that is a cow, comes into the CO2 in the atmosphere. The photosynthesis by producer 2, the CO2 in the atmosphere helps the photosynthesis. The carbon that doesn't go to the atmosphere comes in the composition becomes to fossils and fossil fuels. Then these fossil fuels comes into the factory like materials like oil and comes into the atmosphere. Thank you. This is the end of our presentation. Please support us and subscribe.